not food, it's violence. All the animals wanted to live. It's not food, it's violence. Choose something else instead.
Bella, Bella, I really love you. I'll never eat your friends or anyone who goes poo. Bella, Bella, I really love you. Yes, I really, really do. Ooh. You're crying. It's a normal reaction, given what you just saw. The pigs on the truck on the way to slaughter, after a lifetime of hell on a factory farm. Just 6 months old. It's probably the first time they ever saw the sky. Probably the first time that they ever felt the wind. They're probably a little nervous just being on a truck. They don't know what a truck is. But they might also be a little bit optimistic. Maybe thinking, where are we going? Maybe there's something good up ahead. Maybe they're picturing in their mind some sort of a pasture, some sort of freedom, some sort of a field, some sort of ability to play. Or maybe they're just terrified, not having a clue what more humans are going to do to them. Your reaction is normal to be sad when you see that. That's what everybody's reaction would be when they were younger. Nobody wanted to hurt animals. Somehow or other, over time, a lot of people's compassion just got beat out of them. And it's a mystery as to why some of us care so deeply and can really empathize with the victims, and other people are so cold. But the people in the comment section who are there spamming meat emojis or saying how much they feel like eating bacon, those vegan phobic people, they are cruel. But they can also change. You know, it's a normal reaction to feel uncomfortable and sometimes just want to push away animal rights activists. But that's why I'm here. I'm here to remind people that the animals are sentient beings who deserve to live. And because of people like you who still have a heart open, I feel optimistic. I want to thank you for being here, for being brave enough to admit that this made you cry. I hope that you will become vegan if you're not yet vegan. And help me here to defend these animals, to share their stories, to remind everybody that they can be vegan so easily. Being vegan is easy if you're not a selfish person. It's so easy. So thanks. Responding to comments today, here's what you say. You are talking about plants not being sentient. And I think that's great that you've come here and you are trying to help vegans to get their message out. I'm especially intrigued by your name, which says Captain Salami. So I don't know who you are, and you have no videos on your profile, but I want to thank you for being here. Because in the comment sections, we need all the help that we can get to educate people. There is so much misinformation about veganism. So at first I thought you were a troll. I don't really know what your motivation is, but for now, I just wanted to let you know that I appreciate you being here. And please continue to remind people to watch the important documentaries. Thank you so much.
Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century, nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan. Add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo, mix in some vegan mayo. Now mix in a salty pickle, yeah, that's the way to go. Ooh. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too.
Hey you. So you're trying to be vegan, but you have a mom who's not very supportive. I feel sad to hear that. I'm very proud of you though, that your heart is in the right place and you're trying. Don't give up. Keep educating your mom about what goes on with the animals and explain to her that she should be proud of you for having an open heart for so many sentient beings who are suffering right now. No, it makes me really sad when parents don't realize how amazing their kids are. Being vegan takes guts. I mean, it's easy when you think about the victims. And being vegan is hard if you think about yourself, if you're a selfish person. But it sounds to me like you're gonna get there. So don't give up. Proud of you.
Pigs are friends, not food, not bacon, sausage, or ham. Eat peanut butter, banana, and dance to this vegan gem. Don't eat chickens, cows, cats, or dogs, or even a single lamb. Happy Vegan Declaration Day.
Run, run, run from humans. They're trying to stab you. They're trying to murder you, to call you bacon and burn you in a frying pan.
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Hi. Well, I'm not sure what you mean by your comment, but I think you misunderstood what I'm trying to say. First of all, let's clarify that somebody asking a question does not necessarily mean that they believe one thing or another. It's just a question. So, if you ask me right now, for example, Miss Katie, would you like to compete against me in a race? And I look at you and I'm like, all right, you used to be a man, you had a bunch of surgeries, and you sort of look like a woman now, but now I'm looking at you and you're actually a full foot taller than me, and you're very muscular. I might say, this doesn't feel like it's going to be a very fair race, so maybe I won't compete against you. I mean, what would be the point? But hey, if you want to do it, go ahead. If you're talking about doing this at the Olympic level, where a lot of money and fame is involved, that's another question too.
Call vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile. It's something you should buy.
Hi there. So you want to encourage me to encourage others to raise their children with compassion, to promote gentle parenting, as you call it. It's hard to promote gentle parenting when the parents themselves are the abusers. So I'm here to speak to everyone, the parents and the children, to remind everybody that they were born vegan, they were born gentle, they were born kind, compassionate. In the beginning, they never wanted to hurt animals, and I tried to remind people of that, and to remind them to go back to their roots.
They never wanted to hurt chickens, turkeys, pigs, or cows, and it wasn't their fault that they were fed these dead animals.
Call vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile, it's something you should buy. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Hey there. So you say it's the first time that you agree with me, but I have a feeling that we actually agree on a lot. I think that if you exchanged the animals that you eat with the faces of dogs and cats, that you would feel the same as I do, this drive to want to protect them. For you, you are probably still a speciesist. We were all raised to think of certain animals as being more valuable than others. But I think if you gave it some thought and took the time to really look at the animals, really watch the documentaries that I recommend all the time, I'm sure that you would find that you and I agree on a lot, and I'm quite sure that you would become vegan.
Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Jump into your new life, it's the only way. Wash away your old life.